Hey man, so you want to know what turns a woman on, right? I got you covered. This is part 1 of this video. Very soon I'll be releasing the part 2, okay? So just stay tuned, okay? Don't wipe off. Now, welcome to Daniel.T relationship channel, where we build successful relationship and marriage. My name is Daniel, and in today's video, I'm gonna hit your mind with 8 things that turns woman on. The number 1 on my list is love. Love is the most strongest thing that turns women on. You know what I said? Love is the most strongest thing that turns woman on. When you love woman genuinely, and she discovers you genuinely love her, she will be turned on always. So, but if a woman discovered that the love you have for her is fake love, then you are gone. The second way you can turn woman on is faithfulness. Women don't like to share things, but they like to keep things. So you have to be faithful, in the sense that don't ever cheat on your woman, and don't ever cheat your woman in one way or the other. This is very, very important and crucial. So don't think you can play smart. Don't play smart. Be faithful, because faithfulness will bring out the coin in her to respect you, to be submissive to you. When you are faithful to your woman, or when you are faithful to a lady, she will be always turned on. So you can turn her on through your faithfulness. Don't forget, number 1 is love. You can turn her on by loving her. Then the second one is faithfulness. You can turn a woman on by you being faithful to her. The third things that turn woman on is what I call realness. You have to be real. Don't lie about anything. Don't deceive or cover anything. When you are real, when you don't lie about yourself, when you are not deceptive, this turn woman on. So women like it when you speak your mind. They like it when you say the truth. They like it when you reveal yourself to them the way you are. So but by you keeping things and they later know behind, come on, you will be fired. Okay, so your realness will turn your woman on. Now the fourth on my list is what I call respect. A woman likes being respected, because she will allow you to go a long way with her. When you respect your woman, you treat her like a queen. This will trigger her to place you and to respect you, and this will always turn her on. You don't treat your woman like a foolish girl and you expect her to allow you to touch her. Never. As you always feel whenever someone respects you, that is how the woman will feel when you respect her. So respect her so that she can respect you back. And for you to turn her on, she need to be respected. The fifth way you can turn your woman on is for you to be a man that is after her as a person. Be a man that is after your woman as a person. She is a person with a mind, with spirit. She has a vision. She has many goals to accomplish and all that. She's not a sex object. So if you are just a kind of man, that's always after sex, is a very big turn off for a woman. So be a man that is after her as a person. And you always turn her on. Number 6 to turn your woman on is you being intelligent. Now listen to this number 6. If you want to turn your woman on, let her find you intelligent. Make sure you are an intelligent person. So the number 6 is you have to be intelligent for you to turn your woman on. When you are an intelligent person, you talk deeply, you talk sensibly, you converse with your woman in a very unique way, in a very great dimension. She will always find you sexy, and she will always be turned on. So make sure you are intelligent. You handle some situation, you handle some discussion, you handle some conversation prudently and sensibly. Okay, so when your woman find you sensible, when your woman find you intelligent, you will always be sexy to her, and she will always be turned on. Why the number 7 on my list is what I call communication. Let me tell you this. If you are talking about turning a woman on, communication is the key. Okay, communication is power to turn a woman on. Woman is easy to turn on through communication, through words, through the way you communicate with them. If you want to win a woman's heart, or you want to gain a woman's attention, apart from giving gifts and all that, the main thing is communication. It is what you speak out that will get her attention. because communication is very, very important. When you are communicating with your woman like a real man, okay, she will find it valuable and she will be turned on. And don't forget that through your communication, through your utterances, this give woman confirmation whether you have true motive towards her. Okay, so when you are communicating with woman like it when you use some words of affirmation, when you embrace them, when you elevate them, when you turn them on through sweet words, by you saying or pointing out the good aspect about them, or even how beautiful they are, how great they are, how intelligent they are, how amazing they are. This kind of words turns them on. Okay, when you are a real man and you embrace intimate communication with woman, you will always turn her on. So that is another thing you can do to turn a woman on. The last but not the least in this part 1 is the right touch. Women are touchy, they respond to touch. Okay, and if you are being playful, if you can play with woman very well, if you know the best parts of your woman that can make her happy, and don't forget that body touch is part of love language. And so if you know the right place to touch your woman, if you know the right thing to do at the right time, if you know the right time to play with her, you will surely turn her on. Okay, so don't forget that. Know the right touch, know the right time to touch, learn about that, learn how to play effectively with your woman to turn her on. Okay, so and know the right path to touch to make her comes up, to get her out. Okay, I believe you learned a lot in this video. I'll be dropping the second part of this video soon, and I will start from number 9. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Subscribe if you haven't done that to get more, in order for you not to miss out when I post the second part of this video. So I love you and care for you.